Mount Wills. It's about 600 metre hike gain over a bit less than 2k I think. But all good for warming up. We're nearly at the top of Mount Wheels. It's exciting to look back and see where we camped last night on the horizon on Quartz Ridge. We just had a really nice morning tea at a hut on Mount Wheels. Someone was already there and lit the fire, so that was really nice. So now we're just heading out to Mount Wheels South. It's very crusty, difficult conditions. Unfortunately, not many views either. I was hoping for some views of the main range, but it's just clouded over.
So we're just dropping off from Mt Wheels South down towards the Omeo Highway. Plenty of snow, but unfortunately super crusty, and we've just hit this regrowth area as well. So a little bit too tricky to ski safely, so we've decided to just walk on down. So a little bit frustrating, but better to be safe than sorry, particularly on a long trip like this. One small injury could actually cost us the whole trip, so time to be careful, I think. As you can see, we've actually reached the Omeo Highway, so we're going to have a late lunch here. It's about 2:45 in the afternoon, and we'll actually be switching out of our ski boots. So since Walhalla 21 days ago, we've actually only been not using our skis for 3 days, and for one of those days we're actually in ski boots for the whole day anyway because we're still on snow. So a bit of a relief to, hopefully a bit of a relief to be in the hiking boots.
So just heading down into Gill Creek, hopefully to find a campsite for tonight. The track notes I think referred to an indistinct vehicle track and then an even more indistinct foot track, which seems pretty accurate. But so far it's not raining, so it's pretty good.
Now Andrew managed to get through. Let's see how I go. Easy. So it's 5:15, it's actually our earliest finished ever. We even contemplated for a very short time going further, but we're not going to. Got a beautiful campsite here, just big enough for our tent, and an awesome little creek right beside us, very pretty. So I'm stoked to be here, pretty dehydrated, and yeah, looking forward to staying off snow for the next couple of days.